It's me, Face.
How are ya?
Let's go see what's going on in the Nick Jr. Little Big Room.
So Shecky wants to play house with us.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
I'll get the tea set out.
He could be the daddy. Jam?
Yes, Flexi?
Do you hear something?
Yeah. Do you hear something?
Yeah. Do you hear something?
You already asked me that.
Oh, yeah.
What do you think it is?
I think it's the couch.
What?
I think the couch is snoring.
No, couches don't snore.
This couch does.
Oh, we better investigate.
Okay. Jam,
Yes, Flexi?
do you think the couches are nice?
I guess so.
Good.
Of course, I imagine they're all different.
Jam,
Yes, Flexi?
do couches have hands?
No.
Then what's this?
What's the matter?
Oh, silly man. We thought you were the couch.
Nope. I was just sleeping on the couch.
Oh.
Hey, Jam.
What?
The couch must have woken up when Silly Man did.
What do you mean?
Well, I can't hear it snoring anymore.
Nick Jr. We'll be right back after these messages.